The right credit card
can unlock free travel, luxury perks,
and thousands of dollars in rewards.
The wrong one
can quietly drain your money for years.
There are over 1,000 credit cards in the United States. 90% of them are traps designed to keep you in debt.
But the other 10%? They are the key to free first-class flights,
luxury hotel suites, and thousands of dollars in cash back. Problem is, the rules have changed for 2026. Annual fees are up, benefits are down.
So today, I am going to rank the top 5 credit cards you actually need.
We are cutting through the marketing hype to find the mathematical winners. Whether you want cash, travel, or just a heavy metal card to drop on the table, one of these 5 is the answer. Let's begin.
This video is for educational purposes only.
Let's start at number 5. This is for the person who hates annual fees. Meet the Citi Double Cash. It's not flashy, it's not metal, but it is a mathematical powerhouse. You get 2% cash back on everything, 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. No categories to track, no apps to activate. If you spend $20,000 a year, this card hands you $400 in free money. Is it exciting? No. Is it profitable? Absolutely. It is the foundation of any smart wallet. At number 4, we have the heavyweight champion of food, the American Express Gold Card.
Look at it. It is arguably the best-looking card on this list. But does the math work?
It costs $250 a year to own. That sounds high. But it gives you 4x points on restaurants and 4x points on groceries. If you spend just $500 a month on food, you are earning enough points for a domestic flight every single year. Plus, the monthly Uber and dining credits effectively lower that annual fee to just $10. If you eat, you need this card. Now, let's move to the travel heavyweight. Number 3 is the most recommended card in history. The Chase Sapphire Preferred.
Most people never learn how credit cards really work. Subscribe, Scrum. You want to stay ahead.
Why is it a legend? Because of the transfer partners. This card lets you take your Chase points and turn them into Hyatt hotel stays or United flights, often doubling their value. With a $95 annual fee, it is the cheapest way to enter the luxury travel game. If you are planning a trip in 2026, this is your ticket. It earns 3x points on dining, streaming services, and online grocery purchases. It also includes a $50 annual hotel credit, which effectively drops the fee to just $45. But the hidden killer feature is the primary rental car insurance. This saves you $15 a day at the counter, which pays for the card in 1 week. For under $100, this is simply the best starter travel card on the planet. But what if you want premium luxury without the premium price tag? Coming in at number 2 is the card that broke the internet when it launched. The Capital One Venture X. This is a heavyweight card in every sense of the word. It promises the luxury of an Amex Platinum, but for a fraction of the cost.
The annual fee is $395. That sounds steep, but let me show you the math.
First, you get a $300 annual credit for bookings through their portal. That immediately brings the effective cost down to just $95. Plus, you get 10,000 anniversary miles every single year, worth at least $100. That means Capital One is literally paying you $5 a year just to hold this card. And for that price, you get unlimited access to Capital One and Priority Pass lounges worldwide. Unlike its competitors, this card allows you to bring 2 guests into the lounge with you, absolutely free. Most importantly, it earns 2x miles on every single purchase, no categories to remember. You also receive top-tier Hertz President's Circle status, letting you skip the counter and pick any car you want. Pay your monthly bill with it, and your cell phone is automatically insured against damage or theft. As a Visa Infinite card, it comes with the highest level of consumer protections and purchase security available. Unlike cashback, you can transfer these miles to over 15 different airline partners for massive value. You can even add up to 4 authorized users to your account for free, giving them their own lounge access. It is simply the easiest, most effective premium travel card for 99% of travelers. It also credits you $100 every 4 years for global entry or TSA PreCheck. Booking portal includes free price drop protection, automatically refunding you if your flight gets cheaper. When booking through that portal, you earn a massive 10x miles on hotels and rental cars. Travel internationally without extra fees. No foreign transaction charges on purchases abroad. Protect your purchases against loss or damage. Get access to concerts, dining, and VIP events. Get travel, rewards, protection, all in one card. Use wisely and maximize your rewards. And finally, at number 1, the undisputed king of luxury travel. The American Express Platinum Card. The king of travel cards. Prestige and power. Defining luxury since 1984. Recognized in over 120 markets. The cost? A steep $895. But the card returns over $3,500 in value. With Smart Use, the card literally pays for itself. You gain unlimited access to the Centurion Lounge network, a sanctuary in over 1,000 airports worldwide. This includes an annual $200 airline fee credit. It covers your baggage and your in-flight comfort. You are also granted $200 in annual Uber Cash, ensuring your arrival is always seamless. And for your stays, a $200 annual credit at fine hotels and resorts. For your downtime, a $240 annual digital entertainment credit. For the Platinum Card, you have a dedicated global concierge, available 24 hours a day. This grants you priority access, expedited security, and premium status at every checkpoint. From Tokyo to Paris, enjoy exclusive reservations and dining benefits at the world's finest tables. Unlock doors to invite-only events, from the front row of Fashion Week to private gallery viewings. Enjoy automatic room upgrades and unique property benefits at over 1,500 properties. For those who fly private, receive exclusive rates and unparalleled service with our aviation partners. Enjoy an array of statement credits designed for the world's most celebrated dining establishments. From rare vintages to private culinary tours, elevate your palate with curated experiences. Let our concierge handle the details. Hard-to-get reservations secured effortlessly. Bypass the queues. With priority security and global entry, your journey begins without delay. Unlock perks for you and a companion. Access exclusive shopping benefits worldwide. Enjoy statement credits at luxury retailers. Unlock exclusive offers from premium partners. Earn points faster with powerful multipliers.
Travel with peace of mind, fully protected.
Your purchases are covered against damage or theft. Advanced fraud protection keeps your account secure. Unlock unparalleled purchasing power with an elite credit limit designed for high-end lifestyles. Access your wealth anywhere in the world with seamless, premium global ATM withdrawals. Access the ultimate travel experience. Bring your companions into exclusive global airport lounges with complimentary guest access. Elevate your journey, unlock exclusive first-class airline upgrades, and experience true travel luxury. Transform your stay. Enjoy complimentary room upgrades to premium luxury suites at the world's finest hotels. Do not just look at the cost, look at the return. Elite benefits and massive statement credits effortlessly outweigh the annual fee. Do not transfer your membership rewards points to top airline partners or book flights directly for ultimate travel flexibility. Extend your elite status. Unlock premium travel benefits designed for the entire family. Step past the velvet rope. Secure VIP tickets to world-class concerts, elite dining, and exclusive lifestyle events.
Explore our other guides. Unlock every credit card advantage. This video is for educational purposes only. Always verify financial details before making decisions.